I think my first important thing was Cardiff Singer, which was my first international competition and my first time to sing with a symphonic orchestra. Then from Cardiff Singer, I think I got the opportunity to join the college, to join the opera course. Prior to doing Cardiff Singer in 2015, I studied international economics, actually. Even when I joined the college, I was combining two masters. Singing has been part of my uh, I never thought that I would be leaving from it, to say. But yeah, I used to sing in choir when I was in Congo. Then when I went to study in Moscow, I used to sing in choir as well. For me, for someone who never studied music, even though I was singing in choirs, but I never had after a formal training, I learned everything here. Well, I was very curious, to say. I was curious to learn and I was open to learn from everyone I could in the college. Within 2 years, I learned all the tools I needed to be ready to go for the industry. And that was the case because when I left the college, I went to work for English National Opera. It was roughly everything that I've seen here that I was seeing in the real life. So for me, it was more practical, and that's what I really enjoyed. And that stayed with me until today. My first day in the college, I remember everyone was nice to me. For me, everyone was open, and I was open as well to learn. I think that was the important thing, to just accept that you are ignorant and to sit there, listen, observe. Being in the opera course, for my colleagues, most of them, it was a kind of continuity. For me, it was the first thing to see. So I was curious as well, learning from them. So in that term, the environment for me in the college was great. I remember showing up and not knowing what stage left, stage right meant. So to say, in my case, I learned everything from the program in the college. From where I am, we don't have conservatoires as such. And I firmly believe that talent without education is not worth a lot. And in terms of achievement of something that I will carry on forever, I think education through the college. That's it's because I have that part of the education that I can do what I'm doing now. My parents came for the first time last year to see me on stage. They never saw me performing. And the first time for them to see me on stage was at the Royal Opera House singing The King last year in Aida. So I think that was one of my dreams, to have my parents in the audience when I'm singing in an important stage, not only in the UK but worldwide.